Welcome to new video, real estate lead generation series part 6. I am Rohit Gaikwad, your real estate consultant, co speaker and published author. आज हम लोग देखेंगे कि किस तरह से फ्री पोर्टल्स या क्लासिफाइड प्रॉपर्टी प्लेटफॉर्म्स की मदद से रियल इस्टेट के लिए लीड जनरेशन कर सकते हैं. यू विल गेट बायर लीड्स or quality leads. So today I am talking about propertywala.com. ये वीडियो बिगिनर्स के लिए. आप अगर एक्सपर्ट हो या रियल एस्टेट एंटरप्रेन्योर्स हो, प्रोफेशनल्स हो, यू कैन डायरेक्टली एनरोल फॉर माई lead generation blueprint and lead generation mastery video course certification program through my website rohitkaikod.com courses or you can buy VIP membership for free visiting URL rohitgaikod.com/VIP. So let's begin with the propertywala.com. I'll open the propertywala.com and here I need to minimize, and let's say we are at propertywala.com. Here first you need to select the city and then your property category. So I'll keep here apartment flat purchase. Yeah, purchase sale rent they must uh, mention, but here they have a purchase category. I am from Pune. I'll put this property under Hyderabad. Okay, then I'll continue with the post requirement. Here budget is, here we need to click I have, and then we can post property. See, earlier I were looking for the properties as an buyer. How once get posted, your property will go to this category. Anyone looking for property? So I have, and we will get post property option. So here I'll put post property, and is it asking for my email id? I'll put my team members email id as usual, 71117. Okay. uh, okay, I need to register as a property broker. Jeet. Okay, registered and continue. It is asking for password, so I'll keep this password, and here I'll put the new password. I'll confirm. So your password has been successfully changed, and what a password has been set. Okay, now it's showing a listing details. So we I wanted to sell apartment flat. So total area is, for example, 600 square feet. Select unit square feet. We can say select price range. Here we can say to 2.5 to 2 crores. Here I'll put 2 crores. Okay, property title 2 BHK at 2 BHK at Jubilee Hills. Here Hyderabad for sale. Here 2 BHK furnished for sale at Jubilee Hills. One car park as per Vastu. You can the how to fill the description, right? So I'll skip this stage and step, and will continue with the next locality. Jubilee Hills, J. Okay. IJK, Jubilee, Jubilee Hills. Okay, street address, it's JK Road. It's for demo purpose. I have mentioned JK Road. Pin code I don't know. It's optional. Is part of project? No. So we can put Aditya Imperial Heights. I agree. Next. If you know, then only for a tutorial purpose, I am putting these details like anything. Um, age of construction, let's say 2 years. Bedroom 2 BHK. We have earlier mentioned bathrooms. We have two. Total floors in the building, let's say 10 floors. Our property is located at second floor. It's west facing, furnished, yes, fully furnished. Then transaction type new, resale. This is we can say, if it's a builder property, we can say new, and if it's a resale, we can say resale. Possession immediate. Okay, so power backup, we have lifts, high speed internet, you can choose anything. Fire alarm, lost, basement, balcony, work, exterior, with reserve parking and all. Okay, next. So we are close to this thing, our listing. So we need to put, I'll go with the one logo only and then continue. Next, you have selected file but haven't uploaded it. Okay, let me upload. Select caption. Okay, select, I need to select caption. It's aerial view. Okay, let me continue. It's a photo, floor plan, video. See here, important, we are as we are uploading the attachment. On this side you need to consider a photo, a floor plan. You can upload the PDF, video if you have a walkthrough. Then otherwise you can upload RERA or other documents here. And then continue with the my documents, my computer, you can upload here. I have named it as aerial view because I have uploaded dummy. So click on upload. Okay, it's saying image is too small, I need to upload the another image. So we can take from website is caption, let it be. I'll download one. Ju Jubilee Hills building photo. Let's say we'll get one photo, it's sufficient for us. Let's say I'll upload this. See, for education purpose only I am uploading this one. So I'll save this image and on a desktop, save, close. For tutorial purpose I have downloaded only. I don't have any other purpose, or I don't want it to recommend. I am not recommending you. Okay, let's say select caption. Okay, I forgot. Then next. Okay, it's they are looking for higher quality HD images only. So I need to hide the real kitchen HD photo. So we'll go with the HD photos, kitchen HD photos. I'll take this one only. So it is available on Pinterest and we can download it. Download. So let me try, because it's asking for the HD photos only. So I need to save image, and yes, we got the HD photo, and I'll select it as a kitchen. Okay, sorry, kitchen, and let me upload. uh, downloaded photo. Okay, I'll click on upload. Yes, it got uploaded, and I have clicked on next. Then map, I need to drag. Okay, I have next. Then we are closed. Okay, we got successfully got posted our listing, and this is the preview. So here we can activate our listing. So email and this thing we need to confirm. So I'll do one thing, I'll check the emails from their side. Yes, got something like uh, we need to click on this link and we have successfully verified. And for mobile verification I need to call this number, but for now, as this is the dummy listing, I am not verifying mobile or email address anyhow I have confirmed. I just clicked on the link, so it's got confirmed, you can check here. But for mobile number I am not going to call that number. You I think you got this process, and hope it works for you. You will get around 25 free listing for a free package, and this really works. I have experienced, and propertywala.com you will get a result. So hope you enjoyed this video, and move to the next one. I am Rohit Gaikwad, real estate consultant, coach, speaker, and published author. Thank you.